Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. So in this video, we are going to discuss Leetcode problem of the day, and today's problem is sequential digits and it is a medium level problem. So first of all, they have given a definition that an integer has sequential digits if and only if each digit in the number is one more than the previous digit. So for example, these numbers are sequential numbers, or these numbers have sequential digits like 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, where each digit is one greater than the previous digit. Now we have been given a range low to high and we have to find all the numbers inside this particular range which have sequential digits, and we have to return a sorted list of all the integers, right? So how can we actually solve this problem? This problem can basically be solved with a simple brute force. What I can try to do is I can try to set what is going to be my starting point. My starting point can be one of these numbers 6, 7, 8 and 9, right? Now, according to the question, the way they have defined sequential digits, the digits can only be up to 9, right? And we cannot have 10 after 9, it should only be consisting of digits, because if there is a 10 after 9, it will be very hard to identify that this particular 10 was after 9 and they are not separate 1 and 0, right? So that is why they use the term sequential digits. Digit mean only one single number or digit. So basically for 1, what we can construct is we can construct 1 itself, then we can construct 1, 2, then we can construct 1, 2, 3, then we can construct 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Similarly for 2 it will go like 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on for 3, 4, 5, 6, and for 8 it will be 8 and 9, and for 9 it will be 9 itself, right? So basically what we can do is we can try to construct all of these numbers. In the worst case, the time complexity is 9 into 9, right? So these will be the worst case time complexity, because what you will do is you will go into 9 spaces here and then 9 spaces here, although the spaces are getting reduced, but let us consider it to be whole 9 spaces. So it is going all the way up to 9 into 9, and even if you want to round it off, so it is 10 into 10, that is 100, right? So this is very feasible to apply a brute force here and just construct all the numbers. But what do we actually do when we construct all the numbers? All the numbers that are in the range low to high, that means my number, let's say x, so it is greater than equals to low and x is less than equals to high. For all of these numbers, I'm just going to push back into my answer vector, and at the end just sort the answer vector so that all the values are in increasing order as defined in the question. So this was all about this particular problem. Let me just show you my code. It's very simple to understand. So I have initialized a vector called answer, and I'm going to iterate through the starting positions. So what are the possible starting positions? It will start from 1 and go till less than 10. Now I've initialized my current, that is start plus 1. So current is going to define the current digit and my value with start. So value is my current number that is being formed. So if value is greater than equals to low and less than equals to high, I am just going to push back this particular value into my answer vector. Now I am just going to make a for loop while current is less than 10. So basically I am trying to append a new digit each time and incrementing the digit in this particular for loop. So I do not initialize any variable here because I have already defined it here, right? Now what I have to do is I can multiply value with 10 and then add the current to my value. So what it will basically do, if there was 1, then it is going to form 1, 2. Let me give you an example. So my current value is 1, so this is value, and my current digit or the next digit that I am going to add is 2. So I am going to multiply this value with 10 so that it becomes like this, and then I can add this current value so that it becomes 10 plus 2, 12. So basically in integer format I had 1 and I was able to append 2 after it. So it is equivalent to have a string 1 and then append 2 after it, but in integer you will have to go through these 2 steps. Now similarly, let's say I have 12 and now the value of current is 3. So value is 12 and current is 3. So now again I am going to multiply it with 10, so this becomes 120, and then I am going to add 3 to it, so this becomes 123, right? This is how you have to work. Now if this value is again inside my range, then I am going to push back into my value answer vector. At the end I can just sort my answer vector and just return my answer vector itself. So this was all about this particular video. Let me just quickly submit this to show you that this particular code works. So you see, this passes all the test cases and this solution is absolutely correct. I hope that you guys were able to understand the solution. If you guys did, then consider dropping a like on this video and don't forget to share thoughts in the comments, because your engagement with this video really helps the YouTube algorithm to understand that this video is actually helpful for you, and it will be able to reach much more people like you who want to keep solving new problems. So that is it for today. Till the next video drops, keep coding, stay safe, bye bye.